Incidente de un avión de Spirit Airlines que fue baleado cuando intentaba aterrizar en Puerto-Príncipe, Haití, procedente de Fort
A
Lauderdale.
Spirit Airlines flight from Florida to Haiti was diverted to the Dominican Republic after it was shot at.
Now to a terrifying incident in the sky over Haiti. Several U.S. airlines are now suspending flights to that Caribbean nation after.
Multiple airlines have halted flights to Haiti after an Airbus A320 registered as N966NK and operated by Spirit Airlines came under gunfire while attempting to land in Port-au-Prince. Spirit Airlines Flight 951 departing from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, was redirected to Santiago Airport in the Dominican Republic where it landed safely. A flight attendant sustained minor injuries, but no passengers were harmed. The aircraft has since been taken out of service, and Spirit is arranging for a different plane to take guests and crew back to Fort Lauderdale. This marks the second attack in 3 weeks on flights approaching Haiti's capital. The incident coincides with the appointment of a new prime minister in Haiti, who has prioritized restoring security amid escalating violence. The Spirit Airlines flight was scheduled to land at Toussaint Louverture International Airport shortly before noon when it was hit. Video footage from inside the aircraft shows several bullet holes in the cabin, particularly near the crew seating area. Adding to concerns, JetBlue Airways reported that a New York-bound flight from Haiti was also struck by gunfire on the same day. JetBlue Flight 935 arrived safely at John F. Kennedy International Airport, where inspectors discovered a bullet hole in the plane's exterior. Following inspection in the Dominican Republic, Spirit Airlines confirmed damage consistent with gunfire. Both Spirit and JetBlue have temporarily suspended flights to Haiti, prioritizing passenger and crew safety. American Airlines has also suspended flights to Haiti until at least Thursday. The Federal Aviation Administration issued a notice on Tuesday that prohibited U.S. airlines and other civilian aircraft from operating below 10,000 feet in Haitian airspace. These incidents underscore the serious challenges airlines face in volatile regions and the risks passengers and crew face. We'd like to hear your thoughts on this delicate situation and its impact on the aviation industry. Have you ever experienced a stressful situation on a plane? Let us know in the comments section below, and thank you for watching Florida Aviation.